This is the Corsair HS80, and this is the Corsair HS80 Max. But what the heck is the difference? Firstly, let's talk about the HS80. This has 50mm drivers, it has the floating headband design, the ear cups are removable and can be changed. It uses Slipstream wireless with up to 60 feet of wireless range. It connects to your PC via USB, and it has around 20 hours of battery life. And the HS80 Max on the surface looks very, very similar. It has the same floating headband design, it has the same ear cups that can be swapped out, the flip down microphone, the 50mm drivers, all of that. But where this thing really shines is the battery life and the Bluetooth connectivity. Where the HS80 only had about 20 hours of battery life, this has 60 hours on USB wireless. And if that's not enough, it has 130 hours on Bluetooth. If at any point you are running low on charge, it has fast charge, and 15 minutes on the charger will give you 6 hours of play. This can connect to any Bluetooth device, and you can switch it on the back from one to the other with a single button. It also has Sound ID capabilities to create a fully custom sound profile based on your own hearing preferences through the iQ software. Both headsets come in black or white and can take advantage of the mod kits from Corsair.